going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching, and a huge shout out to everybody out there who's subscribed. We hit 155 subs, which is awesome. Haven't been home much, like I always say in my videos, but I'm always out here with Big Bertha, keeping busy on the road. So yeah, haven't had much time at home, but summer's still kicking, so we got more time to get some more racing in. But had the car out once or twice, so had some fun out there with the boys. The other half of Bangers and Mash, Ryan, he's been out there banging gears and passing queers in his Mustang, killing it. The new engine build going great. The NA high compression build, it's working good. We got a few little tricks up our sleeve for that car coming, so stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. So anyways, just want to say a big shout out to everybody who's subscribing. I really appreciate it. Like I said, we hit 155 subs. It means a lot. Hopefully we can keep growing. Next year will be a lot more content with the white truck, the S10. Hopefully we can get it on the dyno and on the streets and at the track. So anyways, enjoy the video. Just a couple little videos of us out racing on the streets of Mexico. So anyways, like always, subscribe, smash that bell button, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Holy fuck, they're moving! I'm going! You wanna chase me? Quick! Quick! Quick!